Good morning, this is a follow-up video to introducing your puppy to the vac. This is introducing the Newfoundland dog to the vac. Don't get a good start. He's not scared of it, is he? Little Dexter. Oh, that's really careful. Not too much Jones, little man. Turn it up. There you go. Yeah. Now, I might think I'll back this rug reasonably okay, but as soon as he gets up, there's a great big patch unbacked. So, there we are. Stop sniffling the camera, Dexter. Oh, there he is, back in the box, a wooden box. He's got loads of toys, teething toys, but oh no, he's biting the box. Bear, get up, boy. Get up. Show everybody what you're hiding underneath there. No. Well, it is there, I promise. Okay, Bear. Alright, Dexter. I will see you again with another dog training episode. Bye then.